Let's start practice set number 37. Practice set number 37 is based on direct proportion. Direct proportion means what? As I told you, one quantity increases, second quantity also increases. If the first quantity is decreases, then second quantity also decreases. Okay, so let's start practice set number 37. Question number 1, what they have given: if 7 kg onions cost 140 rupees, how much we pay for 12 kg onions? Okay, suppose the 7 kg cost is 140 rupees, then what? 12 kg onions, automatically their cost will be increases. The onions quantity increases, simultaneously their cost also will increases. Means this examples is belongs to which proportion? It is in direct proportion. So we'll write over here like this way. It is an example of direct proportion. Now we have to find out the cost of 12 kg onions. So that we don't know their cost. So for that we will assume X. So we'll assume let the cost of 12 kg of onion be X. उसकी वैल्यू हम क्या करेंगे? X assume करेंगे. Okay. Now here 12 kg onion and their cost is what? We assume X. Okay, first quantity divided by second quantity. Then what they have given? 7 kg. उसका cost कितना है? Upon 140. Okay, first quantity divided by second quantity. Now we have to find out value of X. So what we will do over here? Cross multiplication. 12 multiplied by 140 and 7, this X will go over there, it will be multiplied. Next 12 multiplied by 140, this 7 will come down and we have to find out X value on this, so we will keep X in one side. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 40. These 7 zeros are 0. Okay, so what value left over here? 12 multiplied by 20 equal to X. 12 2s are 24 and this 0. 12 2s are 24 and this 0 equal to X. Means the value of X is 240 rupees. Okay, so 12 multiplied by 140 equal to X divided by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14 and this 0 as it is. So 12 and 20 left over here, X as it is. 12 2s are 24, 0 as it is, X. Now X value came 240 rupees. Okay, so we will write answer in word. The cost of 12 kg of onion is 240 rupees. Okay, 7 kg onion cost is 140 and 12 kg onions is 240 rupees. Means the quantity of onions increases, their price also increases. Question number 1 over here. Now question number 2. Question number 2. If 600 rupees buy 15 bunches of feed, how many will 1280 rupees buy? Means the 15 bunches of feed. 15 bunches of feed means what? गवताचा पेंडा असतो ना तो. Okay, so 15 bunches of feed comes in how many rupees? 600 rupees. देन 1680 रुपीज़ में कितने बंचेस आएंगे. ओके, सो suppose the price increases, their bunches also will increases. Okay, so this example is belongs to direct proportion. It is the example of direct proportion. Let's solve. We will assume the bunches. They have to find out how many bunches will buy in 1280 rupees. Okay, so for that bunches we will assume x. Let x bunches we can buy in rupees 1280. 1280 रुपीज़ में हम कितने बंचेस फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट. what they have given 615 bunches. So we will write 600 rupees में कितने bunches आएंगे. फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी डिवाइडेड बाय सेकेंड क्वांटिटी 15 bunches. Okay, now 1280 रुपीज़ में कितने bunches आएंगे. 1280 divided by x. Now do it cross multiplication. 600 multiplied by x equal to 1280 multiplied by 15. Now this 600 will go over here. X value we have to find here. 1280 multiplied by 15 divided by 600. Okay, now this 0 cut. 15 ones are 15, 15 4s are 60. Okay, next 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. So answer is 32. The value of x is 32. Means how many bunches will come? 32 bunches will come in 1280 rupees. We will write in word answer. In rupees 1280, 32 bunches of cattle feed म्हणजे गायींचा चारा cattle feed can be buy. Understood? Here question number 2 completed. Now question number 3. For 9 cows, 13 kg 500 gram of food supplement are required in every day. एका दिवसाला 9 काउजला किती किलो फूड लागतं. 13 kg 500 gram. In the same proportion, how much will be needed for 12 cows? 9 काउजला एवढं फूड लागतं तर 12 काउजला किती. ओके, ऑब्वियसली the number of cows increases, their food also quantity will increases. Means that is example of direct proportion. It is an example of direct proportion. Okay, now which value we have to find over here? Food quantity. So for that food we will assume x. First this one 13 kg 500 gram we will convert into what? Gram full. First let 12 cows need x kg. हमको निकालना है कितना फूड 12 काउस खाएंगे. ओके, सो फॉर दैट वी विल अज्यूम x kg of food. Okay, we will convert this quantity into full gram. 13 kg 500 gram means how much? 13,500 gram. Okay, for easy to calculation we will convert this kg into gram. Understood? Now we will solve this example. 9 cows, how many food they eat? Eat 13,500 gram. First quantity divided by second quantity. Then 12 cows, how much will be eat? We will assume for that x. Now cross multiplication, 9 multiplied by x equal to 12 multiplied by 13,500. 9 will come over here, x here only, 12 multiplied by 13,500 divided by 9. Okay, next. Now do it, divide, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Next, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 3 4s are 12, 1 left, 3 5s are 15. Okay, then next 0 0. Okay, next, which number left over here? 4 multiply by 4500. Next, x equal to 0 are 0, 0 are 0, 4 5s are 20, 2 left, 4 4s are 16, 18. 18. 4 4s are 16, 2 carry 18. Okay, 18,000 gram. So this gram we will convert into x equal to 18 kg. Okay, they have given in previously in example kg. So answer also we will find out in kg. Okay, 1000 gram means how many kg? 1 kg. So 18,000 gram means how many kg? 18 kg. Okay, so the x value is 18 kg. Right answer in word. 12 cows needed 18 kg of food supplement. Question number 3 over here. Now question number 4. The cost of 12 quintals of soyabean is 36,000 rupees. How much will 8 quintals cost? Okay, the quantity of quintal 12 soyabean is become decreases. 12 का 8 हो गया. Okay, so what will happen? Their cost also will be decreases. Okay, quantity decreases, cost also will decreases. If the one quantity decreases, related to their second quantity also increases, means what? This example in which proportion? It is in direct proportion. As I told you, the direct proportion means what? The first quantity is increases, their second quantity also increases. If the first quantity is decreases, their second quantity also decreases. Means what? It is direct proportion. Okay, so let's start solution. We will assume for that let the cost of 8 quintals of soyabean bean X. Now 12 quintal comes in how many rupees? 36,000. Then 8 quintals is in X quantity. Okay, X rupees. Cross multiplication, 12 multiply by X and 8 multiply by 36,000. 12 will come over here. X find out. 8 multiply by 36,000 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 threes are 36. 0 0 0. Which number left over here? X equal to 8 multiply by 3000. X equal to 8 threes are 24 and these 3 zeros rupees. Okay, means 8 quintals soybean will come in how many rupees? 24,000 rupees. 12 quintals comes in 36,000. 8 quintal will comes in at 24,000. उसकी प्राइस कम हुई है. ओके, मीन्स डिक्रीजेस क्वांटिटी, दैट्स मीन्स इट इज डायरेक्ट प्रपोर्शन. सो solid, right, the cost of 8 quintal of soybean is rupees 24,000. Okay, soybean. Understood? Here question number 4 completed. Next, question number 5. Two mobiles cost 16,000 rupees. How many will be required to buy 13 such mobile? दो मोबाइल की कॉस्ट कितना है 16,000. देन 13 मोबाइल कॉस्ट विल बी इंक्रीजेस. ज़्यादा मोबाइल ज़्यादा कॉस्ट. ओके, so it is an example of direct proportion. So let's start. Let the cost of 13 mobiles be X. Then 2 mobile comes in how many rupees? 16,000. Then 13 mobile is in how much rupees? X assume. Cross multiplication, 2 multiplied by X equal to 13 multiplied by 16,000. X as it is over here, 13 multiplied by 16,000 divided by 2. X equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 8,000. 13 multiplied by 8,000. Okay. So 13 8s are, it is 13 8s are 104, 104, and this 0 0 0 0 0 0 means 13 mobiles comes in how many rupees? 1,04,000 rupees. Okay, write down in word. The cost of 13 mobiles is rupees 1,04,000 rupees. Okay, here we completed practice set number 37, and it was belongs to in which proportion? Direct proportion. One quantity increases, their second quantity also increases. If the first quantity is decreases, their second quantity is decreases. Take care. Bye.